Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm gonna play some Surviving Mars. I've never even seen it before, but I thought I'd try check it out. I got it free on Epic Store today. It's there for a few more days, as far as I can tell. I am going to turn on my stream elements. Sorry, I'm looking over at my OBS at the moment. That's not the one I'm using. Okay, looks like I'm gonna be kind of stuck with my text behind me. Not that my text comes up all that much. But anyways, I have no idea what this game is about. But sorry about that. But let's check it out together. You might already know about this game. Let's go here. Kind of stuck with. All right, let's check this out. So I'm gonna pop out my chat so I can put it right under where I'm at. Alright. That way I can see if somebody's chatting with me. Alright. So, I was just in options, turning down volume and stuff like that. So, Surviving Mode, Green Planet is available. That's not Mars if it's a green planet. Tutorial. Let's check that out. The basics.
Welcome to Mars.
Okay, thank you. This is a training exercise. You will learn how to gather basic resources from the Martian surface, how to construct a small base, and how to refuel the rocket in order to send it back to Earth. Let's begin. Or let's get started. Let's see.
Hints such as this one will appear throughout the training process, giving useful information on how to advance in your current tasks.
Cool, cool, cool. It's kind of neat. I gotta hit the dismiss.
You need to master the camera controls and familiarize yourself with the terrain around the prospective colony site.
Goal. Zoom toward the suggested landing site. WASD. Tilt, rotate. Alt to move mouse.
Now it's time to land your first rocket.
Now it's time to land your first piece. Proceed by selecting the pinned icon representing the rocket that is currently in orbit around Mars. Land on the rocket on Mars. My buddy, Ground Beefy is what we usually call him, Tingleberry, if he's playing Valheim with us. He's just starting to play this too, so you might hear him.
With the rocket selected, designate a landing site on the indicated location.
Did we do a belly flop landing? It looks like a shark. Oh, it's upside down shuttle like looking things. Shuttle windows. It's SpaceX. It didn't blow up though. Oh, I can.
And we have touchdown. The rocket has landed on Mars.
It carries drones. Remote. You know the music's too loud. Hold on, guys. I turned that down. I like music, but not when it's dominating everything. Okay, open the build menu using the right mouse button, and then follow the arrows and choose the metal depot. Universal Depot. Let's see. Does R rotate? Yes, it does. Alright, so user controls in the HUD to follow shortcuts to control the game speed. Space, pauses, unpauses, plus key increase. Where the little guys go? Oh, they're eating the minerals and shoving them into their head.
Our rocket carries valuable resources that will be essential for the construction and maintenance of the colony. Initially, it's best to designate a universal depot, so the drones have a place to store them.
That's cool. Place a universal depot near your rocket. Okay, so that's probably going to be like... Thought it was this button. Oh! Excuse me. Universal Depot, there it is. Zoom out. I'm going to go R. There.
Along with metals, concrete is the other vital basic construction resource.
Look at that thing, like, is it like digging concrete? That's kind of cool. Goal. From the build menu, select to build a concrete extractor and place it at the proposed location. Alright. Production concrete extractor. It wants me to put it here. And then it wants me to rotate it. There it is.
Well done. Now observe how the drones will carry all the resources to the site and then construct the concrete extractor.
Okay, I will see that. There they go. So right now they're just carrying it over there. Look at him build. It's like he's 3D printing it. Looks like he's trying to fight it. Whoa! Okay.
Like most buildings, the concrete extractor needs power in order to operate. Having a reliable electrical grid and supply is essential for the success of the colony.
Of course it is. Stirling generators are an excellent power source, but they are too complex to build on Mars. During the early stages of our colonization effort... Oh, they're too busy... Okay, too busy to build on Mars during the early stages of our colonization effort. That is why we shipped them from Earth, partially assembled in prefabs. Prefabs do not require any resources, only drones to unpack and assemble them. We've provided you with a Stirling generator prefab. Oh my god, this game's not boring me. I'm just tired. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, goal. Construct a Stirling generator and then connect it to the concrete extractor with a power cable or place the Stirling generator adjacent to the concrete extractor for the direct connection. Alright, so I'm assuming it's in here. And I'm assuming it's under this green arrow. Stirling generator. Oh, okay, that's that little guy. We're gonna go right about here. Let's see him unpack it. Here he comes. If he starts screaming danger, Will Robinson, I'm out of here.
Of all extractors and is best stored at designated locations. This way you can ensure that it will not be in the way of future construction.
The amount of waste rock per resource extracted depends on the grade of the resource deposit. You can select a resource deposit to view the grade and amount of resources remaining in it. It says place a dump site and a concrete depot to store the extracted concrete. So we got a depot for concrete. Oh, we'll just put that.
Resources are low.
Okay. And then a dump site. We're gonna put that over here.
Drones will pick pending tasks on their own within the range of the drone controllers they are assigned to.
Today's episode is brought to you by nobody. But I do like Pepsi. Okay, so currently all drones are assigned to the rocket. When the rocket is selected, the work range of all the drones assigned to it will be visualized. If the rocket takes off, however, all drones will need another controller. Goal: build a drone hub to make sure it is supplied with power. Oh, and make sure. Okay, so here. Ha 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 ha! Look at this little thing over here. Are you digging up concrete yet?
Yes.
That thing is weird.
I know, it's cool. Like a giant roller.
I'd like to know how it extends out on cables.
Drones run
Oh, then it pulls it in and it rotates a little bit, then goes out again. Every drone hub has 2 recharge stations built in, but you might need additional ones as the colony spreads out. Constructing recharge stations, especially along areas of heavy drone activity, will prove vital for maintaining an efficient workforce. Goal: build a recharge station near the concrete extractor. Okay, so I'm going to build one. Recharge station. Right there. So that little dude's got a little power thing for her. Oh, he's charging. That's kind of cool. Oh, I see. 1, 2. Yay! Got me another one.
Maintaining a steady supply chain between Earth and Mars is essential, especially during the early colonization stages.
Every rocket has enough fuel for a one-way trip to Mars and has to be refueled on site, so it can return to Earth and be reused. Man, I don't know why I'm really tired all of a sudden. It's only 9:04 p.m. Fuel is produced in a fuel refinery. To set up the production chain, we will also need water. Goal: build a moisture vaporizer. Vaporator. A moisture vaporator. And then a fuel refinery. What is a moisture vaporator? Is that a made up thing just for this game? And who says there's moisture in the air in Mars? I didn't know that was a thing. Okay. Build. Where's my arrow? Life support. Produces water from the atmosphere, producing lower than one place near other vaporators. No production during dust storms. Okay, so that must be the area of the vaporator. We're going to put this vaporator right here. We're going to rotate it though. Alright, and then I also need to build a fuel refinery. No connection. Yep, I know that. Let's go. Right there. See, that automatically connected over there. So let's go here and go to there, and then we'll go for cables. Let's see. Power cables. Oh, okay, so that doesn't plug it in necessarily.
We don't have sufficient power for all the buildings in the colony.
Of course not. Let's do this. Let's go.
Dudes, build my pipes.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to build too. Some pipes here after I make another power generator. I have one more prefab available.
Not connecting.
Let's put that right there.
A system
okay,
of
cool.
pipes
If you
is
hold
used
down
to deliver
Alt
resources such as
and
water
then move your
air
mouse around.
where they are needed.
It actually moves things around a bit different.
Right. Okay, so we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna go here, and then I'm gonna say pipes. It looks like I need to hook that pipe up to that pipe. Like so.
There we go.
Connect the moisture vapors to pipe. Unlike
Fuel production is now underway, and the drones will begin to deliver the fuel to the rocket.
Nice. Fuel in the rocket. Yeah. I put a pipe on every one of those little icons.
Meh. I didn't know that's where it had to go. That's why I wasn't getting anything correct.
Open the build menu. Commander, did you know that you can open the build menu with the right mouse button or B? This is quicker and more efficient than using the HUD button. Look at that. Nice. Wait for the fuel refinery to produce fuel and the drones will load it into the rocket. You can select the rocket and check out how much fuel has already been delivered. That's time.
What a 5 refueling game.
I got one. I just got one. Alright, so you can select the rocket, blah blah blah. This is just a tutorial portion too.
Yeah, I know. You can actually move the screen around as well with the AWSD keys.
Yeah, I said that right at the beginning.
Bye, rocket.
Oh, wow. I just highlighted all my robots and right mouse clicked on my rocket and they all drove to my rocket.
Yay, I finished the first tutorial.
You beat me. Are you watching my stream? Okay. Somebody thumbs it up already.
Really? Wasn't me. Maybe it's that Samu Pizza guy.
Ah, it could be William too.
I don't even know how to view your live stream.
If you go to my YouTube channel, it'll be the first one in the list. It'll say, now live. Select the rocket and then launch. Carry supplies or passengers from Earth can travel back to Earth when refueled. Select. Oh, here it is. That's a button. What's this one? Automatic mode. I like automatic mode. Team Rocket blasts off again!
Congratulations. You have finished the first tutorial.
Playing the next tutorial. So far, it's
Welcome,
okay.
Commander. In this training exercise, you will get acquainted with one of your most valuable tools, rovers.
Rovers are vehicles with a variety of useful functions like transporting resources,
Hi, Rocket.
commanding drones, and analyzing anomalies. You have direct control over all rovers in the colony. Goal. Select the RC transport and move it to the designated area. Okay, you.
Now let's try moving around.
There. You. There.
The RC transport can load and carry resources around the map. Let's use it to refuel the nearby rocket.
Okay, I'm not going to read that because it's probably just plain and simple. So we're going to take you and go over here. Go, go. You. Go, go, go.
You there.
Yeah, go. Go, damn it, go. Beam, 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 beam.
I'll just live vicariously through your stream.
Okay, why isn't that loading? So select the RC transport with the right mouse, and then the fuel and the icon that pops up. Oh. You gotta, the icon that pops up, you gotta select that icon. I didn't know it was a button.
Well, what they call buttons, I'm sure it is the icon always. There's no real.
Well, it says when the fuel icon pops up, click on it to fill. I just wasn't really reading.
Yeah, at the tip of the arrow.
I thought I had it fully fueled up, but I guess I didn't. Oh, it's like double rows.
Now this will be a fun game.
Now order
mean,
the RC
It already
transport
was fun
to
doing the
unload
stuff that we
fuel
were
next
doing,
to the rocket.
but it'll be more fun if they make it multiplayer
Oh yeah, definitely.
or co-op playing, whatever they call it.
Or like colony battles. No, it's like games like this. You don't have to be in the same spot on Mars. Just both be on the same Mars.
Right.
And then you're like, oh man, I need fuel, and I can go, okay, little RC drone, go deliver fuel.
If they have multiplayer, I'll come in and go, hey, Draco, can I move close to you?
Can I live between you and Sammy? So the reason why he's saying that is because we had a guy who asked if he could live by us in Ark, and we had both our places, not too far apart. I mean, it was we had a little area patch that grew berries and stuff, and I was going to put a pin on my side. He built his house directly between us. Took out all the trees and everything. It was weird. Okay. Now order the RC to unload the fuel. You. Is there an unload button? Action spot near the rocket to unload the fuel. Oh, they're already unloading. Okay. I wasn't paying attention. Super speed. Go, go, gadget. Oh, what's this one? Load resources. Launch the rocket. Team Rocket launches off again. So,
Some drones are left without a controller after the rocket launch.
that's what they told me before. That's why you need a drone hub. That's what the little red flashy's all about. So you have to build a drone hub. I can't. Press and hold to drag to select the 4 orphan drones. Oh, they're orphans. Assign to target hub. Oh, okay. I mean, the rocket will be back.
The RC transport is able to gather resources directly from surface deposits without the help of drones.
Oh, that's special. Go get it. You. Go get that. Ooh. It's like he ran into it. Oh, look at a little beam. Or is that just this arrow thing? Look at that,
Let's set
he
up
smelts
a
it.
small expand some distance away from the main base.
A small expand. Okay, so build. Suppose it's going to be a storage, right? Okay, select the rover, use a create transfer.
You can zoom in really close on the stuff and watch it fill up the back of the drones.
Yeah, I was just doing that.
Yeah, I was just watching you do that.
Oh. Select the rover. Select the rover and use the create transport route.
That's me talking to you also in the chat there.
Oh, there you are. I had it over there to look, and I was not even paying attention. Oh man, I had to Alt Tab to go type. Yo, bro. Yeah, Mars Rombuzz. Yeah. Okay, select the rover and use the create transfer route command with the command activated. Left mouse click on the universal depot as a starting point of the route. Okay. Near the marked. Where's my little guy? That's him right there. Great transport route. Okay, so we're gonna go from here to here.
Nice work.
Thank you. See, I wanted my camera on the other side, but it won't let me move it now that I started my stream. Let's see if I can get it to move. Ah! That's kind of funny. Like I'm gonna eat the icon. Alright. that works. Okay, it says now observe how the RC.
One other thing.
What's the other thing? Commander, one other thing. The RC. The RC Commander is a module drone controller that carries its own drones. With its help, you can gather resources. He's laughing about me moving back and forth. It's kind of funny, making me laugh. We'll first recall its drones before moving off to its destination. Goal: move the RC Commander to the site of expand. So this is the Commander, huh? And then we just want to right mouse click over here. Go gadget. That's kind of cool. It's kind of like the police officer and the drones are like the prisoners, and they're going out and to get some rocks out of the farm field.
We need to construct a new sensor tower to scan the nearby environment.
Okay. Sensor towers. How am I supposed to remember all this? Look at him just like pick up and drop off. What's that? Is that like... Oh, that's the metal. Uh-oh, I need power. So construct a sensor tower and a Stirling generator. I didn't do the Stirling generation portion of that one yet. Let's see. Here. And there.
Good job.
Thank you. Ooh. Green screens are too much fun.
It's time to learn about scanning sectors and exploration.
Sectors and exploration. To boldly go where no beefy has gone before.
You gotta connect it.
Okay, so we gotta click here.
Scan sectors of the map to discover new resources and anomalies.
I like the little thumbs up. Alright, so this guy here is an orbital probe. Immediately scans a sector for deposits.
You can also queue sectors for scanning.
Beefy's never been to Mars.
So to boldly go where no beefy has gone before.
Yeah.
Oh, you can only mark 9 areas. Scan sector E4.
Now
Yay!
it's time to use our fully operational RC Explorer to analyze the anomaly.
How many rovers do we get? Types of rovers?
Anomaly found.
Well, yeah, it's an eye. Alright, so that's what, this guy? And we want to take him over here. Rover. It says select the RC rover, RC Explorer. Oh, this, which is the guy I selected. Oh no, that's this guy, not this guy. This guy can go back over here. It's got a little, like, weird thing on the front.
Good job.
Good job. Thank you. Yeah, this is super fast forward. Could you imagine if, wait
The
for it.
anomaly has yielded interesting insights into new technologies.
Interesting. Oh, look at, there's a couple more.
Good job.
This is the research screen. From here, you can choose and queue text for research.
Okay.
You didn't have that on super fast forward, yeah.
Yeah, if it wasn't on super fast forward, man, it'd take forever. This is a research screen. From here, you can go who's and queue text for research. Texts are divided into 5 basic fields. $5 foot long. And a field for special breakthrough text. When you research a text from a given basic field, you will unlock a new text that is in that field. Breakthrough texts are special, unique texts that are unlocked.
It's actually a pretty in-depth game.
Yeah, I agree. Via anomalies. Goal. Queue at least one technology for research. Oh, at least one. You're going to tell me which one.
Commander, one other thing.
What's that one other thing? Oh, each tech has a cost in research points and are generated in various ways. Your sponsor provides some research points to start with. Once colonists arrive, you will be able to construct research labs which generate research points faster. You can view a breakdown of research points generated per sol, which is our solar system year, on the right side of the research screen. Close the research screen to complete this tutorial. Yes!
Nice work. Now you know how to handle rovers.
Rovers, you just pet them. They're good dogs. Play tutorial. Next tutorial, power, water, and maintenance. Maintenance?
Welcome, Commander. It looks like this forward base has gone through a major dust storm.
Now it is your job to fix up and prepare it for the first colonist. In this tutorial, you will learn how to handle power, life support grids, and building maintenance, as well as how to construct your first dome. Bam, bam, bam.
First things first, let's remove some unnecessary structures.
Well, okay. The concrete extractor has depleted its deposit and will be of no use now. We can salvage some construction materials from it. Nice! Knock it down, boys! No disassemble! Oh, my neck is kinking.
Now let's get that drone hub operational.
Okay. Drone hub. Drone hub. Oh, you said drone hub. Why are you pointing at a... Oh, because it's already there. I just need to drop a power thingy, doohickey. Come on, Wally. Go build it. Oh, they're moving materials. Push the button. Boop. Alright, where are they at? There we go, gotta speed them up. Gotta catch him. Oh, there he goes. Fast little bugger. There you go. Looks like he's fighting it.
We have some power, but it's not enough. We should prioritize the drone hub.
Priority affects how often the building is serviced by drones as well as its share of power and life support. Notifications are not shown for buildings with low priority.
We can use the machine parts left from the concrete extractor to build a wind turbine.
Nice! Wind turbines are a good alternate to solar panels as they operate day and night. They also get bonus power productions if built on high ground. However, wind turbines have high upkeep costs and require maintenance more often than solar panels. Boop. 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 Isn't that like right inside that supply box? Oh, that's a supply box for building it. Okay, never mind. What's up with these pipes? I thought I tore this apart.
Even with the wind turbine, there won't.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to bypass that. Let's see. Select a moisture vaporizer and fuel refinery to disable their night shifts so they won't consume power during the night. Okay, so how do I know what that check mark does? It doesn't say. Oh, that's just silly. I mean, shouldn't it say something like first shift, second shift, third shift?
You managed to get things operational, but this won't last, as buildings require maintenance, and we are out of resources.
That's true.
Resources are low.
Thank you, Cortana. Okay, so select a large solar panel to view information about maintenance and breakdown. Oh no! The condition of this building deteriorates over time. Martian dust and disasters contribute to...
We need more metals to secure this base. Use the RC transport to collect...
Okay, so... pick you.
Look at all you little rovers sitting around doing nothing. Send them out, get resources, man.
Yeah, I know, right?
Lazy little rovers.
I only have one of those guys. So, are you doing the tutorials? Are you doing the tutorials, Beefy?
No, I'm just watching.
Ah. Now realize there's a delay.
I do know that.
Because you hear yourself, right?
Barely, but yes.
Oh, he just chewed up that rock. You know, I am going to set up a route. I think I could do that with this.
Those yellow lines on the tank at the front of the rover, does that indicate the power?
You mean like in Astroneer?
Yeah, I'm wondering.
It could. Possibly.
Good job.
Good job.
However, we
Good
need
job.
more than just metals. Fortunately, we can call a resupply rocket from Earth.
Order 20 polymers. Machine parts and electronics. Holy crap, that's expensive.
Good job.
Let's do some cleaning up around the base while we wait for the rocket to arrive.
Oh, we're gonna blow it up. Boom.
280
Now,
million for 20
let's remove
polymer?
some of the unnecessary cables.
360 for machine part? Wow.
The salvage tool. I miss where the salvage tool is. There it is. Nice. Okay. Hit escape to get rid of that little icon there. Okay, wait for the arrival of rocket, then land it near the base. Oh, I gotta pick every time where it lands? It'll land right on my little robots. Ha ha ha. Let's see if they move out of the way. Nope. Squishy squish.
Supplies from Earth have arrived, and we can use them to expand the base.
Alright, let's start with power accumulator. It allows you to store power for night times or emergencies. Keep in mind that accumulators have a capped maximum output, so a single one may not be enough to power all buildings at night. Construct a power accumulator and connect it to the power grid. Hint, you may want to construct some additional solar panels and wind turbines in advance to sustain the base expansion. Alrighty, so let's get started. Power extreme. Let's rotate that. Tink. And let's go build another wind turbine there. Let's build another solar panel. I like how these things kind of like sit together.
Water is essential for a sustainable Martian colony. Fortunately, there is a water deposit nearby.
How? On Mars? Have we actually discovered that yet?
Use the build menu to construct a water extractor near the water deposit. Then, power it up.
Ba-doop, 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 ba-doop. Boop, ba-doop, ba-doop, ba-doop. It's year 4 already. Alright, so my first impression of this game is it's kind of neat.
The water extractor is ready, but we don't have a storage for the water it will extract.
Latest $3 billion rover endeavor that's on Mars now is supposedly sent there to try to discover water.
Okay, so it says a water tower. Ba-doop, ba-doo. Ba-doop, ba-doo. And then I need to go and build some pipe. That's a pipe valve. Pipe. Connect, you connect. Ooh. Oh, it just has to be near it, doesn't it? Yeah, 3D print that stuff.
The time
Oh! I didn't mean to do that. If you need additional resources, use RC transport to gather metals. If I need. You know they know I need it. You, go over here. Gather. Can I queue up stuff? I know that. I know that. You told me that already. This should be able to like highlight all this. Go, hey you, get all this and take it over here. Maybe that's later. build domes. Basic dome. Nope. Looks like I need to connect water to it. Nope. Doom. Probably gotta connect some power to it too. So I'm gonna have to like come off here and go to there. Check this out. My fingers. My fingers. Oh, it's this way. This way. It's like I can go reach into the unknown and pull out a Pepsi. Is that cool or what? My guy's building it yet? Oh, because now I gotta tell this guy to go dump resources. How do I build more of those little guys? What's this little guy? Had another guy watching for a second. Oh, yay!
The dome is complete, but we have to supply it with water, power, and oxygen before we can use it.
Oxygen, I didn't know. I mean, I would assume oxygen. For oxygen, you'll need to construct a MOXIE. A device that extracts oxygen from the carbon dioxide in the Martian atmosphere. Once a MOXIE is ready and powered up, connect it to the dome and pipes. It may be wise to build it in oxygen storage as well. MOXIE. I say it's probably going to have water, right? So, just connect it right there and it's got water. It's going to need power. So, electric pipes. What? How does it not have water? It connected to that same pipe.
Resources are low.
I didn't mean to do that. Stop!
Well done. You have completed the simulation successfully.
Awesome sauce. Play tutorial colonist. Okay. Ooh, that's a nice picture.
Welcome back, Commander. In this tutorial, you will finally familiarize yourself with the challenges of sustaining a society on Mars.
Mm-hmm. You know, why don't they read it all to me? Everything done beforehand was a prelude to this very moment. The arrival of the founders. Our first colonists are called founders, after they set foot on Mars, a trial period meant to test out how humans fare on Mars will begin. No more colonists will arrive from Earth until the founder stage ends. Be careful. If all your colonists die during this period, the mission will be terminated. They can die. You should see me play The Sims. Everybody dies. Lock them in a room, take the door away.
First colonists have already been laid down. One of the final things left to do is to provide the founders with living space.
Nice. Living complexes are built inside the dome. The space within the dome is limited. Well, obviously. So each building has to be carefully planned. Construct a living complex at the indicated location. Okay. It's kind of a neat game. Oh, well, it's like not like you can misplace it. Living complex. I mean, like I mean, it's only really one area you can place it. It's not like I'm going to place it in the middle. Where's my little truck? Truck. Go get more. I want to build more trucks. It's going real slow. Oh, because it's a new tutorial, right? Kind of thing, so it's never fast forwarded. This is one of those games. It's one of those games that you will probably play on fast forward 99% of the time.
The colony is ready for the arrival of the founders.
I'm not really a fan of games you do that to. I'd rather play them at regular speed, but it just takes so long to do anything in most of them. So you end up playing at full speed. But now if the full speed was like, okay, I can't play past full speed, that's what I like. I like where the regular speed is the speed that you would normally play at, and then like, hey, I really need to get some money and have my guys do stuff, and I don't have anything to do for a while. Then you can fast forward speed, watch some TV on your other tube if you have another one, and then kind of like regulate and like, oh, something's happening, down it. But it looks like this game is just going to be full speed constantly. Passenger rocket. With all preparations complete, the colony is ready for the arrival of the founders. Goal: order a passenger rocket. Welcome back. From the supply screen.
From this screen, you can inspect all available applicants and determine which ones will travel to the colony.
That's cool.
You may want to review and hand-pick individual candidates for the founders.
That's cool too. They look like they're Green Lanterns, like the little chess piece there. The Green Lantern Corps. Alright. Let's see. Hand pick. Matching applicants 62. And I get to do 12. And Meg Way. She has no Why would I want people with no specialization? Are they just fodder? Everybody's got to have a purpose if you're going to go. Let's have an engineer, geologist. I already had one geologist. Another engineer, because I'm partial to engineers. Scientists. Why are these people locked? Locked passengers will remain selected when the filter changes. Alright, let's see. Who else we got here? We got another scientist, another geologist, scientist. Officer. Gotta have an officer. Gotta keep them in check. I mean, just in case some kind of alien virus kicks in and mutates somebody, you gotta have somebody take them down. Okay. We're gonna go launch. You know, every time I look at the word launch, I'm gonna get hungry, like I want some lunch. Just take the A out of there. Too many selected applicants. I thought... Oh, I got 13. So who am I going to leave behind? 1, engineer, 2, 3 engineers, botanists. Gotta have botanists. Gotta have a medic. Got 2 medics because, you know. Meng Hao Yan. Ming. I like that name, Ming. Wait a minute. I have 2 people with the same name. Is that a common name? Is that just a glitch in the Matrix? I got 3 medics. I don't need that many medics. Let's leave 1. 12 out of 12. Launch. Alright.
Colonists will arrive on Mars with a small amount of food, but it will not last long.
What?
We need to make sure that they will be able to produce their own food on the Red Planet.
Let me guess. You could get that
Hydroponic
from
farm can produce food.
germinating ancient spores.
Directly from a food depot, they will be happier if they can pick it up from a grocery.
And then I could go buy their food. Construct a hydroponics farm and a grocery inside your dome. That's simple enough. Let's get in here. Alright, so we're going to make this side. Look at that. Multi. Okay, see, now I can see why they say that. You don't want to put one of these here and some over there. Alright, we're going to put this bad boy over here in this corner. Let's see what a grocery store looks like. Sweet. Corner market store, yeah. Looks like I need people. Good thing I got a botanist. Coming. He's not here yet. Oh, here they come.
Colonists need service buildings to keep them comfortable on Mars.
Of course, you need to be serviced.
Already constructed is one such service building.
Sounds good to me. Alright, so before they land, they're just going to orbit. Provide space for R&R and fancy cocktails. Ooh. Alright. Oh, that thing's as big as a dang housing complex. Well, you gotta put that right next to the housing complex. Alright. I'm gonna land my rocket now. Or I'm gonna wait. Hey, you. Go drop your stuff off. Whoa, that's not what I wanted. I don't know where the drop off is at. Drop it there. You can drop it anywhere. I don't care. Look how the solar panels shut down. I was wondering how I was going to power this, but they gave it all to me. Look how many you got to have. Alright. You. Go get some more. Go get some more rocks. Alright. Landing. Well, I want to land where they can, like, just jump out and run in. Alright, let's check this out. Watch this, Beefy. We're gonna watch them land. That, I mean, I'm telling you. Look at them run for the door. Run.
Colonists have arrived.
Look at the money signs. I like money signs.
Great. Now that you have a space bar, you can customize its work settings.
What? The founders that just arrived have taken available jobs automatically. But you can customize their work assignments. With the building selected, notice the 3 available work shifts on the info panel. 2 of them are active, with 2 workers employed at each shift. Big yawn. Okay, so, by the way, I'm in the basement. It's cold. Alright, so with the building selected, okay, I read that one. The more workers assigned to a building, the better the building performs initially. However, we won't be needing so many people working at the space bar, as there will be other important jobs to fill the limited people to fill them. Oh, and limited people to fill them, especially during the founder stage. Disable 1 job slot in every active shift. Nobody needs to work the night shift. Alright, start with you guys. You. Well, they only have one active shift. What's this? Right here.
Crop failure reported.
What? Ooh. Okay, so we're just growing wheatgrass.
Full of hope and determination, the first founders have set foot on the Red Planet.
Nice. The next 10 souls will be full of difficulties and dangers, but also with great promise and opportunities. It is now to us to prove that Mars can be a doorway to a greater riches and the future of the human civilization. Even the most epic adventures begin with a single step. Okay. Actually, why don't I just like start my own? Or is there something after this one? Disable one work slot per active shift in the spacebar. Spacebar. Select the spacebar and right mouse click on one of the work slots. Is that a work slot right there? Oh, I see. They want you to get rid of the person, not the shift. One of the work slots for the first two shifts. Also a slot known in the... So I think I gotta do that, and then do that, and that. Why does it keep filling? Oh, I gotta right mouse click to get rid of fire the person, and right mouse click again to
Healthy colonists
block
at working age
people from working there.
are able to fill any position, but how well they perform at a certain position varies between colonists.
Well, of course. A botanist doesn't want to go. They don't want to sit there and do scientific stuff that's not their. And they're not medics either. Okay, construct a research lab inside the dome. Our rocket's ready to take off. Alright, that one doesn't take a full slot, so let's put that bad boy... We're gonna put it right there. Research, yeah. Alright, where's that little rover? You, come over here and dump your stuff right there. Where's he at? Brum, brum.
Work shifts, among other things, are a way to manage your workforce. The more shifts a building has open, the more colonists it will attract to work there.
What? Well, yeah, because you get more people that can work there. Is your icon a kitty cat? On your...
Yeah, it
Fun.
was Grumpy Cat.
Oh, yeah. That's a newer one, right?
Actually, I've had that one on for YouTube for quite a while.
Activate the second shift. Doo-doom. 3
Buildings
people?
with higher priority will be allocated workers, power, and maintenance before others.
Set the priority of the research lab to high. Well, yeah, that's what they're there for, right?
With the research lab up and running, let's begin researching some technologies.
Okay. Let's see. You're gonna tell me which one to research, aren't you? From the research screen, cue 3 of the available technologies with the left mouse button. Oh, you're not gonna tell me. Well, let's see. We got some engineers. We do some botnets, biotech stuff. Robots. Yeah, Need more robots. Need some Wallies. Some Johnny Fives. Is that it?
Congratulations. You have provided everything needed for a successful founder stage.
Nice. Founder
You
stage.
have completed the tutorial for the founder stage.
Multiple domes. There's a lot of tutorials on this.
Welcome back, Commander. In this tutorial, you will manage a larger colony that consists of multiple domes.
As you expand your base and try to obtain various resources scattered across the map, you'll inevitably end up with a colony that consists of several domes. This tutorial will introduce you to a lot of the typical situations that you can expect to come up in a big colony. Like, what do you do with your poop?
Shuttles can transport resources and colonists across great distances.
Shuttles. Nice. Oh, why are the domes next to each other? Construct a shuttle hub and connect it to the power grid. Let's zoom in here. Are you telling me where to do it? I just gotta make sure you're not. Okay. Yes, you are. Right there. Shuttle, shuttle, shuttle. Dun, 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 dun. Go, Wallies,
Your
go.
transportation between the two.
Yes, sir. See, I would have just connected everything side by side and then had all my workforce farther away, but maybe you can't do that. My camera's taking pictures of me. I still haven't figured out how that works. Oh, here it goes. I figured it out. It's Alt S. Can you hear the camera noise? Probably not.
No. Oh, no, I did.
Okay. Well, yeah, it's delayed. Oh, I gotta put power. You've got power.
Now that we have operational shuttles, it's time to establish a mining dome.
Mining dome. It's a mine. That's gonna be my thing in every one of my videos that has mines. Construct a rare metals extractor next to a rare metals deposit and connect it to the power grid. Sir, yes, sir. That must be what this money thingy is. Let's see. Oh, there's power right there. Let's see. Let's do this, just for fun. A little swervy. Ooh, snake. You have apples outside?
There are no colonists in the mining dome. We must provide living space for the colonists so they can move there.
Why did you call it the mining dome? So this is the mining dome just because you declared it to be a mining dome because there's a mining thing next door? Okay. Let's see, what do we got here? We're doing putting houses down. And houses are in what slot? Build. Dome. Living complex.
Don't forget to provide basic services for the citizens of your new dome.
Yeah, you want a bar. I got it. Alcoholics. R. Oh, we want something else too. What is it? Grocerer. Grocerer. Why would I put it there? That's a horrible spot. I want to put it there. Corner store. Why would you put a grocerer and leave an open spot in the corner? Ooh.
You can set up filters for every dome to attract colonists with desired traits, and block or push out colonists with undesired ones.
Undesired colonist? Undesirable number 1? It's a Harry Potter reference. Alright. So, filter to the dome. So, no beefy allowed in here.
Gotta be shared food anyway. Why do you need a grocery on a Mars planet?
Well, that's so they don't. It said so they don't have to go to the depot.
Being near a
So
railroad
basically, it's
line,
easier access for
this
the lazy
dome is
bastards, right?
best suited as a mining
Sounds
hub.
like it.
So it's best to encourage geologists to migrate here.
Geologist. Okay. Sex. Yes, please. Scientist. No. Geologist. Yes. Apply. Next dome.
This dome has been designated for research purposes, so it's best to attract more colonists with the scientist specialization.
Yes. No. Man, that seems like segregation to me.
Almost.
Colonists can migrate between domes.
This is
using
how you start
shuttles
wars
or walk
after colonies
when
are
they
created.
positioned close to one another. However, they cannot usually visit buildings in nearby domes on a daily basis unless they are connected to their own dome.
Third dome. Colonists can migrate, blah, blah. So, to demonstrate dome connections, let's first build a new dome near our research dome. Construct a dome with the indicated location, of course. Sir, yes, sir. Alright, so that's going to be... Oh, those are the domes. Okay, so it's 30 in one, 4 in the other. So we're going to create a new dome, and we're going to put that new dome right there. I have to plug some water in, so let's do that. Electricity. We need some oxygen. That means they won't let me build a Moxie? How are these guys getting air? I don't even see a Moxie. You're not allowed to not have a Moxie. Oh, there's a Moxie right there, isn't it? So, how's a Moxie give air? Just in the pipes? It must be. Just water and all poop and everything goes through the pipes. Construct a dome. I am. Alright, let's see where my little work bot is. You.
Construct 2 farms in the new dome. They will be used as workplaces for the colonists in the old dome once the domes are connected.
Farm. Like, that's a waste of a space right there. Nope, I'm not going to put one there either. It's going to tell me to do things with space, and then you tell me to put them like in the middle of things. I'll put them where I want to. Oh, yeah. Let's stick this right here.
Domes positioned closely to each other may be connected with passages.
That's just weird. It's kind of stuck in the... Okay. Domes positioned closely to each other again. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, so here. Oh. I don't want the tips. I know that. It's like the 4th time you've told. Oh, look at that. I can pick any little spot. Why would I pick there and there? Oh, I gotta take up a space inside for this? No dome. I know there's no dome. Ba-doom. Ba-doom doom. You can't use outside doors though. Must be placed under a functioning dome. Look at all these little drones. Where are they coming from? Can I make more? Does that would block my transport's little path over here. I wonder how their pathfinding skills are.
Good job.
Good job. Now that the 2 domes are connected, colonists from the first can start working on the newly built farms on the 3rd dome. The passage will also connect to the 2 domes for the purpose of distributing power, water, and oxygen. I connected pipes for no reason. But that's good to know. I'll run that halfway across the map. I wonder if you can do anything with these over here.
Some buildings have upgrades that can improve them in various ways.
Nice! Goal: research the extractor amplifier tech from the research screen. Okay, so here. What's this? Extractor upgrade amplify. Increase production by 25%, but also increases power consumption by 10. From the first day to this day, sheer greed was the driving spirit of civilization. True that. I mean, who would work if you didn't need money? I don't know, what are we extracting? More ore?
Crop failure reported.
The crops. Kind of look forward to starting my own. Wait for the extractor amplification research to complete. Do 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 do. What the? Oh! I love green screens. They're fun. Oh, let's give my Harry Potter look. Ready? And then my Dumbledore look. Or Dumbledore. I sit just too far away for these to work. Because my screens are back. I mean, I can't even touch it. I'm like my camera. I can't even touch my camera. Jeez, that takes forever. They call me Dumbledore. Check this out. Be right back. It's my wizard's hat. How's it look? Get my glasses. Oh, hold on. I am going to perform some magic for you. You, sir, need magic. Jeez, this thing's taking forever. Tell you, man, green screens are fun.
Entertainment at its finest.
Yes, it is. Oh, you want to see something cool?
Sure.
So that you can watch. It's going to take you a second before you can see it. This is Williams. Pretty cool. Oh. Yeah, I think could do some damage. And then I got this thing here. Ho ho ho! It's a little Reinhardt from Overwatch. So that's a character I play a lot. When I play Overwatch, I might play some of that on here. My boys don't like playing Overwatch with me because they don't like my playstyle. Oh! I just figured out why it's not producing anything. For some reason, it's paused.
Crop failure reported.
I must have bumped the space bar.
No.
Congratulations. With the research complete, a new upgrade for your extractors is now available. It is not automatically activated in your buildings. You must construct it first.
Oh, that makes sense because of power consumption. Oh, I got to construct it too? Oh. Alright. Okay. Oh, so this building gets extract. Okay, I got it. We're going to upgrade.
Nice work.
So I could do that in this building over here too then, right?
The
Yeah.
upgrade has been constructed.
Can do it on this one. I'm going to do it over here on this one. What other buildings I got I can do it on?
The command center is a treasure trove of information about the colony.
Okay. It offers historical data for various colony metrics as well as overviews of domes, buildings, colonists, and transportation. Open the command center and try it out. Okay. So we have funding. 4,000 million. 4 billion. I mean, you could really reduce that number by just putting a B there and remove some zeros. Metals, concrete, food, rare metals. I got 34 people. Power. See, this doesn't impress me because it's a tutorial, so. I like this little bridge thingy.
Congratulations, Commander.
Yay!
Graduated from the International Mars Mission Training Simulation.
Awesome sauce. So now I can start my own. Yay! Alright, well, this is my first look. I'll probably start one of these on a different day. Not today. Might go check something else out. But, appreciate you guys watching. I know you guys didn't watch live, but, I mean, Beefy did. Right, Beefy? So, somebody else is too. I think it's me. I'm not sure. It's just, I think whenever I have it open, it says I'm watching, which is kind of weird because it doesn't count it. But anyways, thanks for watching. And, keep playing. Have fun.